You want to make sure you want to hold your hands, hold the hair, and then remember where we mark. We place the hair right where we marked. Okay? You make sure each side at a time. You do one side, you do the other side. Don't do all the way one side and then the other side. Make sure you do a little bit at a time. To push it down. That's looking good.
Yes.
You got your hair back.
And that actually feels very nice. Feels very comfortable.
Feels comfortable on you.
Yeah.
Well, the beauty of this is the hair becomes part of you. Like just the style that you had before.
Yes.
If you want the hair, if you don't want to take the hair off, then you can use the glue.
I have two options then.
Mm-hmm. If you want to keep it longer, you can use the glue.
And when I am using the brush and comb, it's like a natural hair is taking the form, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can brush it, shampoo it, use comb, brush, anything. Once the hair is on you, it's become part of you. So you can just treat it like your own.
Yeah. I want maybe this side in the top more
Longer
or more longer, yes.
on the side.
Yeah, maybe. I mean more longer this side than this one, maybe. I don't
So
know.
you want this left side longer than the right side?
Yeah, it could be. I don't know.
You tell me what you want. And that's how I'm gonna cut it for you.
Feels very, very natural and very good.
Yeah, this is why, remember how we cut the hair
Mm-hmm.
underneath? So you see how your scalp's showing?
Yes, just.
So if you want to part anywhere, it's gonna look very natural. Would you like to use some gel?
Not really.
You don't like gel?
No.